Hello students, today we will discuss exercise 2.6 from chapter that is fractions and decimal. 2.6 from fraction and decimal. What question number first is? Our first question is, we have to find multiplication of given number. Okay, what is the number given to us? Let us start with first part. It is 0.2 multiplied by 6. Okay, so this multiplication is quite easy. What you have to do, you have just to multiply 2 with 6. Okay, no need to confuse regarding the decimal sign. I will tell you how to put the decimal sign. Okay, just see, it is 2 and 6. You know it very well that 2 6 are, it is 12. Now, where you will put the decimal sign, just see. It is after decimal, only one place is there. Okay. So, from right hand side, after one place, we will put the decimal sign. Okay. So, only the thing you need to take care regarding the decimal sign, that where you have to put the decimal sign. Okay. For example, one more part we will see, sixth part. If you can directly do the multiplication, then it's very good. If you can't directly do the multiplication, you can do it like this one, upon into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 zeros are 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay. And here you will put the decimal sign 1 and 2 place. After 2 place, we will put the decimal sign. Okay, simple multiplication is there. Only the thing you need to take care regarding the decimal sign. Yes. Now see second question. Second question is word problem. You need to find the area of rectangle. Okay, what you need to find out? Area of rectangle. What is given to you? Length. Length is given to you. That is, just see what the length is given to you. Length of rectangle is 5.7 centimeter and breadth, it is 3 centimeter. Now for finding area, you should know area of rectangle is L into B. So you will multiply 5.7 and 3. So 3 sevens are 21, 5 3s are 15, 16 and 17. And after one place, you will put decimal sign. After one place, you will put decimal sign. So calculation is as easy as we are doing in the multiplication. What the difference is there? The putting the decimal sign. How to put the decimal sign. Okay. Now see question number 3. It is also quite easier. Okay, it is easier one. In this, when we have to multiply with 10, 100,000, there is no need to do the multiplication. Okay, just directly we can solve the question. Directly we can write our answer. For example, first part, 1.3 multiplied by 10. Now see, no need to do the multiplication by 10. What you will do? Just see, you have to multiply by 10. Number of zeros 1. So this decimal sign, it will shift one place. Okay, to the right hand side, it will shift one place. So the answer will be 13, or you can write 13.0. Let us see one more example. Fifth part, 31.1. You need to multiply by 100. Now, number of zeros 2. So decimal will shift 2 places. So one place and another place is not there. So that we will add. Okay. See one more example. For example, our question is this one, seventh part, eighth part, 43.07 multiplied by 100. So number of zeros 2. Decimal will shift 2 places. So 43 0.07. So this will be our answer. Okay, so no need for doing the multiplication. When you have to multiply by 10, 100,000, 10,000, whatever the things is there, what you need to do? Simply, you need to shift the decimal. Same, just see 10th part here. 0.08 multiplied by 10. So, decimal will shift one place. So, the answer will be 0.08. See, what question number 4 is? A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. Distance covered in 1 liter of petrol. It is 55.3 kilometer. Okay. Now, question is here. How much distance will it cover in 10 liter of petrol? So, distance covered in 10 liter of petrol. So, how you will find it out? You will multiply it by 10. And how I have told you to do the multiplication? No need to multiply it. Just see number of zeros here and you will change the position of the decimal. So, it will be 553 kilometer. Okay. Now, see next question. Question number 5. In question number 5, again you have to find the multiplication. Just see the first part. You have to find the given multiplication. First part is 2.5. It needs to be multiplied by 0.3. So just see 2.5. It needs to be multiplied by 0.3. You will do the multiplication. 3 5 is 15. 3 2 is 6 and 7. Okay, and 0 की multiplication, it is not necessary. Now see, where you will put the decimal. Okay, where we will put the decimal, just see. After decimal, one digit is there. After decimal, one digit is there. So, number of digit after decimal, it is 2 digit. So, from right hand side, you will put decimal after 2 digit. So, your answer will be 0.75. Okay, let us see one more example. For example, sixth part is here. 11.2, it will be multiplied by 0.15. So 11.2, 0.15. Now we will do the multiplication. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5 and 6, 5 1s are 5, and we will do multiply by 1, 2, 1, 1. No need to do the multiplication by 0. It will be 0, 8, 6, 1. Okay. Multiplication is same, but what you need to take care, where to put the decimal sign. Just see, after decimal 2 places, after decimal 1 place. So after decimal 3 places are there. So from the right hand side, after 3 places, we will put a decimal sign here. Okay. Simple questions are there. You need to take care only where to put the decimal sign. Okay, let us see one more part. If it is not clear to you, let us see one more part. This is 100.01 multiplied by 1.1. Okay, multiplication is same. Multiplication is same. We will do the multiplication. Okay, 1 0 0 1 again 1 0 0 0 1. Now we will add it. Now next step, to put the decimal sign. Just see, after decimal 1 place, after decimal 2 place, so after decimal 3 places are there. So after 3 places, we will put the decimal sign. Okay, so this is all regarding our exercise, that is exercise